Friends, two very important identities in trigonometry are the relationship between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Tan theta can also be expressed as sin theta upon cos theta. A very important identity in trigonometry. In many proofs we are going to use this identity. Therefore, let us see how can this identity be proved. To begin with, first of all, once again let us consider a right angle triangle in which angle A is theta and angle B is 90 as usual. Now by definition, we know sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. In our triangle ABC, the side opposite to theta is BC. The side opposite to theta is BC. Therefore, we have taken BC upon AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, we have put AC over here. Similarly, cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. The side adjacent to theta is AB. Therefore, in place of adjacent side, we have put AB. Upon, as usual, AC is appearing as the hypotenuse. Now divide equation 1 and 2. Why we want to divide them? Because we have to prove the identity where sin theta and cos theta are in the form of numerator and denominator, in the form of fraction, and therefore we require to divide them. So when you divide them, we know that to divide two equations, we will be dividing the LHS also and the RHS also. So when you divide LHS, we get sin theta upon cos theta is equal to, when you divide RHS, we get BC upon AC, which is the right hand side of equation number 1, and AB upon AC, which is the right hand side of equation number 2. From the denominator of both the fractions, you can see that AC gets cancelled, and therefore we are left with BC upon AB. Let this be equation number 3. So we got sin theta upon cos theta as BC upon AB, and we have given them equation number 3. Now by definition of tan theta is defined as opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Therefore, we got the ratio tan theta is equal to BC upon AB. Now compare equation 3 and 4. You will see that the right hand sides of both the equations are same. That is, BC upon AB is in equation number 3 also. BC upon AB is in equation number 4 also. So RHS are equal. And we know, friends, when we compare two equations, if their right hand sides are equal, their left hand sides will also be equal. And therefore, we get tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is the left hand side of equation 4 and sin theta upon cos theta is the left hand side of equation 3. Since the RHS were equal, therefore we got their LHS also equal. In this way, we have proved the identity tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, as all of us know. Therefore, cot theta will become cos theta upon sin theta. Why? Because since tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, therefore the reciprocal of tan theta will be the reverse of it, that is cos upon sin. And since cot is the reciprocal of tan, therefore cot will become cos upon sin. In this way, friends, we have studied a very important relation between tan, sin, cos and cot theta of trigonometry. In many questions which are based upon proofs, we are going to use these two identities. So with this, we have completed the discussion and the study of the basic definitions of trigonometry, interrelationship between different trigonometric ratios, and three very important identities. With this, we have completed the introductory part of trigonometry. After this, we will be solving questions based upon trigonometry. Till then, friends, thank you. Take very good care of yourself.